These are tiny, and they're pines. This will be a piece of cake. Just like the old tree guys used to say. You should be familiar with this type of work. I shouldn't have to tell you anything today. I shouldn't have to say a single word. I should just start grinding and then you'll be done. Traffic through here today. Alright, so this is what we're up against. A couple of pine stumps that I cut down several years ago. 3 along the driveway each side and that big oak thing in the front. Alright, what I'm going to do is grind these 6 first, and then I'll get the bucket down, and then we can I'll either move it to you can shovel the crap in it, or you can wheelbarrow it into the bucket from a couple feet away.
Need the board?
For
that car?
Yeah, probably will. You can probably get them off, just stage them up there. This one will be fine. I'll come in and just start doing that one. But I'll do these 6 along the driveway, then I'll get the bucket down. And you can start putting debris in the bucket while I grind that. That one's gonna take a while. Because I'm gonna have to go all the way around it and cut it down flat. So there's no time like a potato. You want to do the button first, the trailer?